Hi guys, my name is Ben, also known as BenBepz, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I create travel, lifestyle, fitness and photography, videography videos, and I'm really grateful for the fact you are here on my page, however you found me, and I hope that you'll enjoy all the content I create over the coming months. To be notified of this content, please make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and of course, like and share this video. I also do this as my job, as freelance work. I've worked for brands such as Now Drinks, Bumblezest and Hi-Fi Man, creating content for their social media campaigns and marketing campaigns, adverts, etc. to help them best sell their products to their target audiences. If this is something you're interested in, please message me via one of the links in the video description, and you can either book a free consultation call with me, or we can discuss via text message how best to proceed with a project for your brand. If you're here just for the YouTube videos and the content and the value which you may get out of my tutorials, etc., then I really hope you enjoy and you find it useful. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in a future video. Have a good rest of your day.